Hola chicas, I'm back with another video. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing BoxyCharm for May. Just the base box, so it's right here. Barely got it yesterday, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm pretty excited for this month. Everything's right here. So for this month, the theme was Mother Nature. So this is the second time that I'm getting a card. I think on my last BoxyCharm unboxing, I got a card as well. And yeah, so the first 2 months I did not get a card, and I was like pretty bummed because they give you all the information and all the pricing in the back. But yes, so I got the card here, and then I got card number, or the variation number 34. So let's go ahead and just jump right in. I already had a little sneak peek here, so yes, so let's go ahead and get started. The first product here that I picked was the Glam Glow. So this is the product that you could have picked from other two products from Hourglass or Elemis, and I picked the Glam Glow, and this is the Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Face Mask. I heard a lot of good reviews about this. This retails for $49, and it's a creamy, nutrition dense smoothie mask with rich berries and probiotics to boost the skin. And it looks like this, and you open it and the product looks like this. It looks literally like yogurt, and literally it smells like yogurt. It literally smells like berries. And you leave this on for, you apply it even layer on clean skin, and you leave it for 10 minutes, and you just tissue it off, or you can rinse it off. But yeah, pretty excited to try this out. I heard great reviews, and yeah. The next product that I got here is an eyeshadow palette, and this is Violet Rose, the Essentials palette, and this retails for $29. So yeah, pretty excited. I have seen this brand like on Instagram and stuff, and they have pretty colors, but look at these colors. It has a mirror, and then all of these art colors right there. They're so pretty. So let's go ahead and swatch. This emerald color has been calling my name, and look at that. Look at that. Like, that's pretty. Let's go ahead and try one of the mattes. Let's go ahead and try this brown or cinnamon. Oh, that's pretty. The eyeshadows feel really, really buttery. So now they're really pigmented. Let's go ahead and do this terracotta shade. Really orange shade. Look at that color. Like, that's pigmented right there. So pretty excited to try this palette out. Again, retails for $29, and yeah. So the next product here is this. Never heard about this brand. This is a, I don't even know how to pronounce this, Touristic Cover Plus Concealer Crayon. I got shade Porcelain, and this retails for $24, and it's literally like the cleanest concealer that I have ever seen. It's vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, synthetic fragrance-free, and formulated without D5. And literally the ingredients here is just that whole section, and it's literally pretty much a clean brand. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is made in Italy. It looks like this is a pretty cool concept. Looks like a crayon, and the bottom part here comes off. It comes with a sponge, and then, and this is like magnet, the cap. Look. So, and the color looks, I turned off my light, but the color looks like this, and then it's literally like my color, basically. Let's see, let me turn off my light if you can see that. So it's right there. It's basically, and it's really creamy, like really creamy. It looks a little bit too dark for my skin tone. I like to use really like light concealer shades just to highlight underneath my eye. But this here is an extra smooth, easy glide application with full flexible coverage and lightweight feel. So basically it's a full coverage concealer, really lightweight, but pretty exciting to try this out, something new. This is the first product, like a first concealer that I get in this BoxyCharm, so pretty excited to try that out. The next one here is this, and this is Serafani Botanicals Whimsical Wisteria Conditioning Lip Polish. Okay, that's a mouthful. But this is a conditioning lip polish, so basically this is a lip scrub. This retails for $24. And it says it's a I can't even talk this morning. It's a revitalizing lip polish made by blending soft sugary crystals into rich vegan base of avocado, apricot, and jojoba oils, as well as shea and cocoa butter to help keep lip exfoliate silky smooth and protected. Pretty excited to try this out. I like the concept that comes in a squeezy tube and not like those containers that you have to like put your fingers in. It's more sanitary. So let's go ahead and open this up, and it does smell nice actually. So looks like that. So it's like a pinky color. So I'm not gonna put it on my hand, but pretty excited to try that out. Lastly, I got this, and this is the Gerard Cosmetics Lip Pencil. Retails for $16. And then I got Night Shift. This is my first product that from Gerard. Looks like this. The color, it's a really, really dark lip pencil. And then it looks like this. Let's see. Oh, that's a pretty color. Look at that. It's a really nice purpley violet shade, and it's really, really creamy. Okay, so that's all that I got in my box. I think this is by far one of my best boxes that I ever got, because all of the products that I got are basically the first time that I ever, like, I don't have any brands in my collection of this. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and see what we got again. We got the Viola eyeshadow palette, the Glam Glow mask, then we have the Gerard Cosmetics lip liner, then we got the Serafani Botanicals lip scrub, and then we got the concealer from Trestique. So all of that for, I already did the math here, so all of this altogether was $142, and I only paid $25. So that's a really, really good deal for all of this product here. Pretty excited to try basically everything out. But yes, pretty excited. Like I said, it's one of the best boxes that I have ever had, and I've been with BoxyCharm since February of this year, and I like this box between all of the rest. And yes, like that they gave me a card this time again. Yeah, so that's all that I have for you guys today. Please like, comment, subscribing is free and it will totally help, and I will guys see you on my next video. Bye chicas.